the bottom position is the easiest one, right? You just want to remember to not have it drift in front like this or drift back here like this. You want it right in line with the midline of your body from the side. Then the next position, your right arm would be back. This is in spin, while your left arm is in front, which means your hip would be open like this. And if you're struggling with placement and it's droopy like this, you want to lift it up. And if you're struggling with placement where it's up too high, you want to lower it down. And then the third position, you come back to neutral. And if you're struggling with collapsing planes, so if it's doing this, you want to practice pumping the arm like this. And you want to hold it up, pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Imagine you have a light bulb in your hand that you're sticking in a socket, and you're using that pumping gesture to get it up. And you want to make sure you're not drifting forward or drifting back, and it's right there. And then palm in as if you're holding a beach ball between your two hands. And then we're going to open to the back position. Right, you would look like this. Okay, and then your right hand is in front, your hip is open to the left, your shoulder is open to the left. Like, if you see a video of sperm, right, they're flattened, you'll notice that the tail is what propels the sperm, right? I want you to imagine your arm is the tail, and the four major places where you're propelling it from are your shoulder joint, your elbow joint, your wrist, and your fingers. If you're struggling in the back position to get it up, now this is true for in-spin or anti-spin, it doesn't matter. If it's in overhand, if you watch me, I have to push down and back, down and back, down and back. But you want to do enough rotation, and I just don't think you can see it from this side as well, but if it helps, this is the overhand. I'm pushing down and back, and I'm rotating around the turn to get the poi to be straight. And if you look at it from the side, if it's doing this, more rotation, down and back. And you can focus on the beat at the bottom of the turn and pushing across the bottom to the back. You'd be standing this way, but you would be open to your left. And as you're doing this, you want to make sure the elbow is not fully locked. So I have a little bit of bounce in my elbow to help propel the plane, and that helps keep it straight and vertical. This is true, again, in overhand and underhand. As you're doing the underhand one, scooping down and forward, down and forward, down and forward. Okay, face me and I'm gonna mirror you, if you will. Just the body. So this is your left side. I want you to open this way. So the rotation is like this. But not with your feet. Okay, if you look at my feet are solid in the same place. Okay, so I'm here, but this rotation is happening through my core muscle. This is what you need. You want the arm back here like that. That position really is quintessential. So you might benefit actually just from doing, even without the poi, these. Facing to the left. Both palms should be facing to your left. And then your feet are side by side, shoulder width apart. And now let's go to your right side. So you're gonna pull your left hip forward, and your right hip is gonna go back. And then you're still looking forward, and both of your palms are now pointing to your right side. And then in theory, you'd be forming a straight line. So look back over your shoulder and see, oh, is my right arm in the right place? There's at least two dimensions you want to worry about it in. There's this dimension, but then there's this dimension. So you want to make sure you want to make sure that if you looked at it, there's a reason I call it the titty drill, right? Because this is a T, and you don't want it to be like this, and you don't want it to be like this. You want it to be like this. And it takes some time. So you may benefit just from doing this and hold, and hold, and hold, and hold, and hold. Check your work. Check your work. Check your work. Check your work. So you move while you're looking forward. Oh, wait. Oh, it's too low. Adjust. Solid. Look forward. Move. Too far forward. Adjust. I'm not straightening up. Okay, I adjust my whole body. Great. Okay, now I'm going to move to the next position. Oh, too low. Get it right. Adjust. Get solid. Look. Okay, now look back to the front. Okay, get to here. Oh, wait, too far forward. Okay, now I'm back to solid. And then you continue to do that with the intention of trying to get really solid placement. And when you're doing a 4-petal flower, it isn't really this, because you stop, you stop, you stop, you stop. The other way. So same thing, but go backwards. So now we're here, and we go back. Oh, wait, the hand didn't get down low enough. Oh, this one's too low. Adjust them. Okay, look forward. Now next position, back to neutral. Okay, oh, wait, my hand's too far back. Okay, get it right, get it right, get it right. Okay, go back. Oh, no, not straight. Get it straight, get it straight, get it straight. Oh, okay. Shoo. 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 I think sound effects help. I always recommend them. Right now when you're doing your flowers, you're like, you have a slight butt back thing, and it's like you're reaching for the move, like it's falling away from you. If you lift your toes, first of all, it forces your weight to come back in your heels, and it's much harder. It's much harder to do this, right? So the more you lift your toes, the more your weight will be in your heels, the more your center will be under you. And if you take the time to do these placement drills first without the poi, so just these Pilates drills, or so this one would be for anti-spin in overhand. And then, so this one would be in spin for overhand. Taking the time to do the placement drills just to get your body used to the mechanics of what you're supposed to do. Not this, not this, the arm is bent, but this, and then the correct placement. Taking the time without the poi, then doing the placement drills with the poi, where you're just doing 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for your anti-spin, same thing. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And continuing through those placement drills will really, really help you. And then once you do the placement drills, the next step is to just do reps. But that's doing it two-handed. You should start with one-handed, where you're just doing this. This is my end spin with the left hand, and that's 2 times around, and 3. And so this is where I was suggesting you do, say, 15 with the one hand, then 15 with the other hand, and then 15 with the first hand, and so on. And you want to do that with each hand individually before you even try and get into the two-handed stuff.